In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Discord password if you've forgotten it. First step is to launch the Discord app on your device and click on the user settings icon located in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. In the settings menu, click on My Account. Discord will prompt you to enter your current password to set a new one. If you've forgotten your current password, proceed to the next step. Scroll down to the bottom of the left-hand menu and click on Logout to sign out of your Discord account. On the login screen, enter your email or phone number associated with your Discord account and click on Forgot your password. Discord will send an email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from the Discord, and the email will contain a link. Click on Reset Password. Clicking the reset link will open Discord in your web browser and follow the instructions to enter a new password for your Discord account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.